Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today we are going to go over my expenses for the week. I was on vacation for the past week and we spent some money out of our vacation fund. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you stick around for the rest of this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, y'all, let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so like I said, it was vacation week, and first off, let me say I am sorry for this video being up so late after having a week off for vacation and working a crazy graduation and Father's Day weekend in the restaurant. It was a busy weekend and I had no time or energy for filming, but we are gonna get all our normal videos this week, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So today for cash stuffing, a lot of this is gonna be coming out of our vacation sinking fund, but we do have some other things coming out as well. So let's just go ahead. We are gonna start with bills. Now remember, I do stuff my bill binder with prop money, and this is just for kind of a physical look at where all my bills are at. So PayPal, I paid out $29 this week, and that should be what we have in here. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I'm gonna set that to the side. Our natural gas bill was $30.17, so I've got 30 here for that. Electric came out and that was $86.49, and we have 50, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87 there. And then the car loan did come out, and that is $250. And that is all of the bills that came out, so we are done here. We had one subscription come out, and that was for my husband's gym membership, and that is for $19. So we've got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we're gonna put this over here. And left over in our gym envelope, we have 10, 20, 21, $22. All right, and that is it for the subscriptions for this week. Let's go ahead and move over to our cash envelopes. So I did spend a couple things out of my personal envelope this week. I spent $2.79 at Sam's Club. I was shopping with my mom and my aunt was in town also this week. And we were grabbing some stuff for dinner and we had a little lunch. So that was $2.79. We also did a little shopping. We had a little girls' day. I spent $40 at Kohl's, and my mom actually used her Kohl's charge card because she was getting like 30% off. So I paid her $40 cash out of here. And then we also went to Ross and I spent $21 on shoes. So let's see, I already took the $40 out and I should have 21 left over. So we are at 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yep. That makes sense what's going back because of the $3 at Sam's and the 21 at Ross. So there is that. So I do have 21 still left in my personal envelope. Okay, nothing out of my husband's envelope. We did do grocery shopping this weekend, or I should say my husband did grocery shopping this weekend because I was busy working my life away. But he did stop at Harris Teeter, Trader Joe's, and BJ's. And we are left over with 30, $8. So we spent a grand total of $20, $40, $60, $81, $20, $40, $60, $82, $10, $215, $216, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24. So $224 on groceries, which isn't bad. Before vacation, we really didn't stock up on a lot because, as I've said in previous videos, my in-laws were visiting from out of town and they like going out and doing, you know, the touristy thing, checking out new restaurants and stuff. So we really did not spend a lot of money on groceries while they were here. And the few things we did pick up for that vacation time frame, we just went ahead and took out of our vacation budget. Next up is gas. We did fill up twice this past week. So we spent $39.30 and then $34.55. Let's see, I need change here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So we have $14 left over in gas, which means we spent $20, $40, $60, $70, $71, $72, $73, $74 on gas this past week. And that was mainly because seeing my in-laws did drive in to see us, we were using my car for just transporting us around this week. But we do still have $14 left over there. Pet care. Now, we wanted to make sure that we stocked up on the pet stuff, and we had been saving up a lot of this money and just rolling it over, and we stocked up on a good amount of their stuff, but we accidentally went over by $6. I guess my math was not adding up. So taking out of pet care is $20, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $85, $90, $95, $100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, wait. I did have enough in here. Did I not count? Let me recount this. Actually, I do remember someone commenting on my video that I miscounted somewhere in pet care. So we actually might not have gone over what we had in here. So let's double check. We've got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Y'all, we didn't go over in pet care. That's so exciting. Okay, so this, I usually keep my expense tracker up to date with everything, and that way it makes it easier when I do the unstuffings, but sometimes I guess numbers don't always transfer over correctly, and we actually have $4 left in pet care. So I'm gonna cross this out, and we have a surplus of $4 for pet care. Okay, that's exciting. I was like, I'm gonna have to pull that from somewhere else. Where am I gonna get it? But we're good, we're peachy. Okay, dining. So, me and my husband, like I said, it's just been a busy, crazy week. And there was one day, I think it was Friday or something, when I got off work and I was like, I am not cooking. So we did stop at Jimmy John's and get a sandwich, and that was $20. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we'll put 20 over here. And we are left with $5 in dining. Okay, nothing was spent out of fun or miscellaneous this week. So we are done here. All right, so now we have our sinking funds. And y'all, I think y'all remember my husband had bought a car part and it ended up being the wrong one, and we had to return that one and he had to buy a new one. And then he had to buy something else for his car. So y'all, we are negative $47 out of car maintenance. So I have to figure out where I'm pulling that from. But we are pulling out 20, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, $64 from car maintenance. Okay, so we do have to still figure out where this 47.38 is coming from. So I'm just going to circle that for now, and we are going to move on and talk about vacation. So that vacation is actually all in the bank. So we hit our $1,000 goal for our vacation savings challenge. I put all that money in the bank. So it's already in the bank to pay for everything, but after everything, we still have $233 left over in our vacation fund. So what I am going to do is just pull out $233 cash from over here and put it back in here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. We'll do 220, 230, and then 31, 32, 33. And let me double check that. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 220, 230, 31, 32, 33. Okay. So that is going to go back in this vacation envelope, and that is because I have a little girls trip. It's my friend's birthday, and we are just going to do a little weekend getaway. So I'm going to be adding a little bit more here, but that's going to cover that little trip. We're going to move this $1,000 placeholder because, again, this money is already in the bank, so I can easily use that to pay off the credit card. So now that we've gotten the vacation part taken care of, we have to figure out where this $47.38 is coming from. And I think, let's see, I could, even though I don't want to, I know I have the money in here, but I think I'm just going to pull it from here. Yeah, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. So that's $50 right here. And then I will give myself $3 change back. So I just pulled it from fun, even though car maintenance is not fun whatsoever. We don't really need, fun money is not a priority. And I don't really want to pull from any of our sinking funds right now, or even our savings challenges. So it's fine. It is what it is. But yeah, that's just kind of, if we go over in a certain spot, sometimes you have to pull from another area, and that's okay. You know, it is what it is. You've got the money to cover it, and that is what matters. So let's go ahead. I did total up everything that we spent for the week. That is not including the bills that we unstuffed. But we spent $1,398.35. And again, a majority of that is because it was vacation. We went out a couple times, treated my in-laws to some stuff. And, you know, we were just living the vacation life this past week, even though it was a staycation for us. So let's go ahead and count up all this money and make sure that we have enough to pay back that credit card. So we have 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 10, 20, 30, 35.40, 45.50, 55.60, 65.70, 75.80, 85.90, 95, sorry me, 300, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. And remember, $40 of this was actually in cash. So we really only needed the 1,059 or 1,359 to pay back the credit card. So we have everything we need. This money is going to go back into the bank, and then we're going to use all this to pay off our credit card. And that's going to be it for today, y'all. Whew, it was a crazy week. And again, I am so sorry that my videos are a little off, but you girls gotta rest too, and I hope y'all have a wonderful week. I will see you tomorrow. We are gonna be going over my income for the week. I did work 3 days over this past weekend, and it was crazy busy with graduations and Father's Day stuff. So make sure you stick around tomorrow and see what I brought in on a busy holiday weekend. All right, y'all, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.